Welcome back to the Halftime Homestead. Today we're going to have the unboxing of the Rhino HD trailer coupling set. This is for 2 5/16. It's under $100. Foam comes with a little booklet about Rhino. Stickers if you like stickers to put on your RV. 2 sets of keys. The little clasp block. And this piece slides under the tongue and this guy pops up. I'll show you real quick. Maybe. So it slides into the tongue like so. And pops right up. Both keys, all 4 keys, fit both this and this. This one's really nice. Put the key in there and you actually unscrew it. And it comes apart. See it coming apart here? You don't have to take it all the way apart and just slips open. So let's walk this over and put it on the RV. In case you're wondering, putting tongue locks on an RV is not how I lost my thumb. Like I said, it's real simple. If it's locked, you just turn the key and unlock it. So you can't pull the key out when it's unlocked. Twist it back to lock. As soon as you push this up, it'll lock in place. Slide it on. Now it's on and locked. Now this is obviously not going to stop someone who really wants to steal it. It's just a deterrent. Then the clasp block here goes over like so, and just like a screwdriver or screw, you tighten it up. And this key will come out in any configuration, no matter where it's at. That's all there is to it. Just take your 2 keys, store them away. Protect it from the basic thief. There you have it. Half them out.